Ratatouille.
Hi.
This will be our second. Oh, look at that, my mask isn't on properly. Oh, we've been in Bistrot Chez Remy. What did you think, Harry?
Good.
Good.
Good. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
What did you have for starter?
Starter.
It was the chicken thing, wasn't it? It was like a chicken pate.
Yeah.
What did you think to it?
It was good.
And it was nice. It had a little half a cherry tomato.
Yeah. It was very
some
nice.
Nice sliced bread and gherkin.
No good.
Now, although the gherkin was not eaten by Harry, I can confirm it went very well with the, what was it called? Chicken rillettes.
Yeah.
Something like that. What did we think, chaps? That was a good meal.
Nice, very nice.
Good stuff. Duck pate. Oh yes, I remember. It was very nice.
Pizza with laughing cow cheese and it's very nice.
Pizza with laughing cow cheese. Why are we suddenly moving really quickly?
That's a good thing.
That was the soup.
The soup was very, very nice.
And the steak?
Steak was very nice. And the dessert was amazing.
What did you have for dessert?
Apple tart with
Oh yeah.
the creme brulee.
It was very nice. What did you have for your dessert?
For my dessert, I had something that wasn't very nice.
And I've got to be honest, I didn't really like it myself either. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of pastries, but I can manage eclairs, but I just didn't like this pastry. Yeah.
He loved it.
He did.
Don't believe him.
What did you have then for your starter?
I had the duck pate.
Duck pate.
That was lovely.
The sauce that was with it was lovely.
Oh yeah, it's currant, something like that, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Steak was lovely. I mean, my steak was a bit gristly, but other than that, it was quite nice.
But we didn't have the expensive menu steak, did we?
No, the one meal I was €42, so.
Chef Emile.
Yeah, it was still very nice.
Yeah, I did.
Tiramisu, that was lovely.
Okay. I can vouch for that as well, it was. I had the salad. It was a green salad with a green salad with a beautiful dressing. Oh, and a poached egg.
Did you have any problems with it at all?
No, it was beautiful. Even the radishes that I don't like, the radishes were still beautiful. Then had the sea bass with crushed potatoes and chini mushrooms, I think.
This has been going on for 5
The
minutes.
sea bass was beautiful. Crushed potatoes were beautiful. The ratatouille, of course, we all have ratatouille.
Not far at all.
Oliver doesn't like anything that's in the ratatouille at all, so there was no big surprise there. But we did make him taste it.
It was horrible.
You didn't like the ratatouille?
I had a little.
And what did you think of the ratatouille?
It's nice, I enjoyed it.
Did Groot like the ratatouille? No. As far as ratatouille goes, it was nice, but not a ratatouille fan myself either. When the serving staff are taking away the plates, you just see full ratatouilles coming back. Nobody seems to raid the ratatouille. I don't know if it's just the Brits.
There was also some really cute little baby ratatouilles
On the high chairs.
On the high chairs.
I didn't have a dessert, apart from everybody else's desserts,
Yeah, like normal.
which I enjoyed. But we did have a wine. What did we have? Codero. Yeah,
So,
that was nice.
It was mixed.
Oh, so many hungry faces. Well, you've come to the right place. Tonight, the toast of the town, Chef Remy, will be preparing you a culinary masterpiece.
You did there, didn't you?
Oh, it looks like Chef Remy.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Middle. Au revoir. Si vous
restez à la traîne, vous ne verrez jamais ce qui vous attend. Et au revoir.
We've all just been on Crush's Coaster, 80 minutes, it was supposed to be 90. Okay, and was it worth it?
Without a doubt, it was brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant. So pretty, and then so dark.
Yeah.
It's
a bit
too much
cramped.
for you.
I was a bit worried about getting cramp in it, but it was
I managed to fit the bags in as well, so it was no problem in the end. But absolutely worth the 80 minutes, and I think we'll probably do that one again.
good. Yes, I think we've got it.
Yeah. Happy with yourself there, Harry?
Yeah.
What have you got there?
Yeah, it's everything. Fruit mousse.
I won't tell about this little timer.
I'm just,
It's Milner.
yeah.